guys, and welcome to MYO's video channel. My name is Salli and I am about to show you how to make this tube top. You can make it however you want. Either you can make it slim fit or in an oversized fit that I did. I made it like with a draped back. It's super easy. I will show you. All you need is a crochet hook, 8 millimeters from Make Your Own, and the nano yarn that we have in our shop. And you can follow the measurement chart that's down below so that you get the size that fits you the best. And you also have the measurements if you want to make it slimmer or looser. And let's go. Okay. So I'm gonna do a bigger kind of tube top today. I would like to have a drape in the back, but this is super easy to make however you want it. If you want it tighter in the back, just follow the measurement chart that I made for you. But I would like to make it a little bit bigger to have that drape look. And to do that, I measure about 80 centimeters at my chest area. So I will make a chain that is 102 loops. And to start, I'm gonna make a slip knot, which I usually just take the yarn around my fingers like this and pull it through underneath that and pull. This can now be tightened and looser. And then I grab my hook that is an 8 millimeter and I put through that. Okay, so now we're making a chain that is 102. And to do that, I grab my yarn, pull through, grab the yarn from underneath and pull through. Like that. You see how you get a chain? This will get easier and easier the more of a chain that you can hold on to. So continue to do this chain until you have the amount that you need. Okay, so I am done with my chain. And what we're gonna do now is that we should attach this end to this end. And what I want to make sure is that the chain hasn't been twisting like this, because then it won't work out. You will notice quite soon if it is twisted, and then you can just undo and fix it. It's super easy. Okay, so to attach these ends together, what you do is that you take your hook and you put it through the first loop that you made. Grab the yarn, pull through both loops like that. Now they are attached. Now we're gonna do a double crochet stitch. And to do that, it's super simple. This is the only stitch that we are gonna make for the entire tube top now. So we learned this once, and then you will continue doing this until you have the height of the tube top that you wishes to have. Okay, so first pick up the yarn, go down to the next loop in your chain, pick up the yarn again, go through 2 of the loops on your hook. This will be easier when you have something to hold on to. Then you pick up the yarn again and go through both. And then again, pick up the yarn, go down to the next loop in the chain. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn again, go through 2 of the loops. Pick up the yarn again, go through the last 2. Again, pick up the yarn, go down into the next loop in the chain, pick up the yarn and go up. Again, through 2, again, and you're done. Now you can start to see the pattern. And now we're gonna keep on doing this around and around and around until you have the height that you want. I would say the first lap around the chain is the hardest one, but then it will get easier and easier for you to see where you're going down, and you have something to hold on to. So you will notice quite fast that it will get easier. And also one thing I'm trying to think about is not to crochet hard. The harder I crochet, the harder it is to find the loops and to get the hook correctly into, and so I try to have a loose hand when I crochet. Okay, so I almost made the first lap, and I thought I was going to show you how to continue on after your first lap. So just keep on doing the double crochet, stitch, and this is the last one on the chain before we come to the second lap. Okay, so what I want to do now is that I want to go through these 2 all the time. So I pick up the yarn, I go through the loops, pick up, again, go through these 2, and here we go. Pick up again, go through both these, and then continue doing this around and around. I'm starting to become happy with the height of my tank top. So I'm gonna finish this off. I'm just gonna make a couple more of the double crochet. Okay. To finish off, I will just take the yarn and pull through. I already cut it off and pull tight. And then to hide it, I'm just gonna like braid it into the edge like this, and it won't show. Like that. Then I can just cut this off. And where I started, the upper part of the tube top, I can do the same thing here. Just take the edge and the end of the thread and braid it into the tube top. Okay, so this looks gigantic now, but it's supposed to, because I wanted the draped look. So it looks big for being a medium, but it won't be. You will see when I put it on. So now we should put the straps on. And you can just try it on and see where you want the straps, but in the front it won't be that much of the tank top showing. The most of it will be in the back, because that's where the drape will be. So I will kind of find the middle of the tube top, and I like minimalistic, so I'm choosing to just take the yarn as it is. Our nano yarn is very strong, so they won't break. So I cut a piece of the yarn and I will just attach it to the tank top with like a simple knot. And here you can make, like if you want to make something pretty, if you want it hanging, showing or not showing, you can just cut it off. I kind of like when it shows like that. In the back I might make it bigger. So this will be the front. So I'm adding the second one as well. And this you can just adjust later on if you want them somewhere else. Like that. So I think this will be good for the front. I had about 28 centimeters between. And you can put the tube top on, and then you easily see where you want your straps. I will attach it not just straight to the back, because here I want my drape to be. So this will be my drape, and I can add my strap here. And I just make a knot. I might have to adjust this later on when I put it on, but it's super easy. Just untie the knot and redo it. And for the back, I would like to make a little loop like that. And you can make it as long as you want to. Maybe you want a long, just piece of thread hanging, which can be quite beautiful. I add my second strap, and I try to make them same length, and I make a simple knot, and then like a pretty loop or something like that. And now let's try it on. Good job, you guys. I hope you had a lot of fun creating your tube top. I think I'm gonna continue creating a few more in all the new colors that just got in. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.